am I trying to do? Those stay. Should be able to just pass these into here. The bit rate a bit insane. What is this, a text box? I'm pretty sure this is not how you're supposed to do this shit, but it worked, but I don't know. People can yell at me when I'm actually done. Sauce? Don't need that. I just have to edit these. To fucking so text. That means I don't need to do this. Fucking. What's this fuck? It's right here. Ugh. I really need this return value? Does that matter? I don't think I need it. What is this telling me? Nothing. Just take that out. That's not a return. Void. It's not needed. And the top date, current date. Oh, that needs to do a lot more than... It needs to update all this shit as well then. Like, honestly, all this shit could be in main. I'm pretty much just giving it all of the controls on my thing. I wonder if I could just give it the grid and it could grab the I don't fucking know. Sure, that'll do. Okay, so this works. And then, can I get like a update one? Just needs to be a little bit fleshed out. What did I press? How'd that open the whatever it's called? What have we got? I think this will work. Alright. That's... I could just, can I literally just, no, got this fucking shit. Or I could just create a function here that updates and slap that in there. But can I put that in here? No, I'll leave it out here. Oh, that actually doesn't have any indexes. Where am I at right now? Oh, I just realized that's... Are these the... They are. So unless... When do I want to do this? Well, when I decided I was gonna, decided fuck it, I'll stream this, I thought I was gonna be a lot more interesting than just staring at a bunch of code and making noises. Making lots of like, and like, I'm not really explaining things. Or whatever, whenever I, okay, so let's, that. Fuck, so I actually need to get... Damn it. That's public. Is it? Shit. I don't know. Well, let's just throw some shit in here and see if it works. So instead of this, I should actually just have a what am I calling this? New fucking maybe I will stuff it into log replays. No. Yes? Let's put it in here. I think that's the right way to go about it, because when do I run this? It's when the selection changes, right? Yes, so I can stuff it all in here. That makes sense. Good. So let me see. I need my 2 folder text boxes, and I need this text. Let's grab my text. By reference. Reference all of these. Title.text equals select. Okay. Oh, game data. Okay. I think that's it, right? View. Already given that I don't need this. That's wow. I just keep giving it more fucking parts. This feels like a really shitty way to go about object oriented. Text. thing is, I'm gonna be calling these with, so is this just me being lazy? Because I'm gonna be calling these with like the same, the exact same parameters every single fucking time. So I'm just being like, oh, I'll just give the class access to those things and I can do it. What's a ref do anyway? There's a reference type. Oh my goodness, can really? Oh, please, please. What? Okay, that's a lot less exciting than I thought. That's my email. That's a lot less exciting than I thought it. Okay, so basically I'm doing a big pile of jack shit. It's let's see if that's him. Okay, it's not empty. I really like this compress. There we go. I really like this compressed form of the if. Back up. Oh, nice accidental caps lock. Back up. Text. Okay. Alright. Okay. Back up. Oh, this loads both of. Check the shit out of any exceptions here. Sure. I know I'm just repeating shit. Eh. Where's load replays? Well, that should work. Just do it. No, it didn't. Got to rename that. I didn't see the squiggly because it was collapsed. Here. Goes up. I should replace it with blanks. Right. Okay, so I actually just, this needs to not be in an if. Right. Oh, okay. That. Oh. Okay. Well, currently adding our extra spaces back. I'm gonna bring my if back. Gonna uncollapse it because else I've got text equals sort This is so verbose. I want this bracket here, but C# doesn't like that. Can I compress the else? That looks stupid. Backup phone, alright, yes, that is correct. Cool. So let's slap some boulders in here. That open, jump into, that should remove those, alright. I don't know how to do that. Can I like erase all the options in here or something? Select all unloaded. Further. Selected items. Release. Oh no. You know what? Let's just Google this. What is this? List view. List view, remove item. Oh. That works, right? Really? I don't know what happened, like the... Yeah, no, if you remove something, the index should, like, selected index and all that crap should be, like, fucking update and something. For each list view item in play live view, oh, I have to name it. Thank you, default. Nope, it don't work. Huh? Fine. But I thought you could just delete option number 2 or 1 because they were like, I'm making hand motions, it doesn't do anything and I'm talking to no one, but if you delete like the top one, it'll like shimmy them up a bit, and then you delete, so the next one, there'll still be one that's like index 0, and you can delete that, and you can just delete it until there's no... I'm gonna try that. Oh. Fuck. Replay. View dot. How do I find the number of items? This isn't helping. As items. I'm always confused because I see the get and I'm like, oh, it's something something, it's a thing, so function, but it's not. Anyway. It has items, what items? I really should just copy this shit, but I'm stupid. Oh. Oh, okay. I mean, that literally just checks if count is not 0. File that, aren't you? What is it? Dot items 0 dot remove. It's not. That's not a thing. I wonder if that tutorial I was using has it. Dude, wouldn't that be novel? It doesn't look like it. See what we got. Ah! Item. Ah! Ooh. I should just like save this list, item source list thingamajiggy bomb, instead of reloading it every time you. But that's kind of what I want to do. I want to have it reload when I back, just to, you know, update and stuff. I mean, I can be really... I can just do this. I pressed insert. I'm just... I assume this works. Because this is a list that has fucking nothing in it. So I'll just tell it to like, hey, here's your list of stuff. Oh, there's nothing. So I do this. Oof that. Hit that. Oh my gosh, it works. Wow. And then I can... Don't think capitals matter. That up. Back to here, back to here. Oh my goodness, I've done a thing. Wow, look at me go. Amazing. I should put like a header here that tells people what the hell they're looking at. That would help. Let's do like that. So 120, 0. I have to push this down. That. Give it more. 30? 40. That is some space. I don't. Header. Yes. Give me a like super top level. I'm probably not gonna close a bunch of these. This is not what. It's not what I'm looking. What does this do? Take it forever to load, apparently. Okay, that looks ugly as hell. That might be handy. Hold on to that. I'll probably close it later, but I mean, this isn't. I'll just like fucking. I don't know. Like how wide is this? Right. Sure, that worked out. That means I can actually set this one to 0. 15. There we go. Enough. Valid markup? Where? What did I break? Oh. Hey, yeah, we got things. Wow. Filling these manually is getting real old though, so it's time for the really shitty bit. Old selection dialog. This doesn't exist, and I need it. Does the It's the Windows. I wonder if this guy's screenshot. They look like. Why is there not? I don't understand. I keep like I keep like out of habit going to Discord. Windows forms. Okay, whatever. Let's just fucking do it. Okay. Nani? Oh, I think that's actually. I think no, I shouldn't do that. I should just do it. Use. What the fuck? Eh? Oh, hello. Java but different? Yeah, sorta, pretty much. Java, but you don't have to deal with fucking the Java update thing that like hangs out in your taskbar forever and ever and pisses you off. How do I? Where's? It's a file dialog. Oh. Let's see. What? I don't understand. Oh, it's Garfield. Seriously? Okay, what are you? How do I use it? Okay. 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 If I was writing a command line app, I'd be done by now. See, that's the thing. That's the thing. Technically I've already done a command line one. It's a piece of shit. It's completely unusable. So I'm trying to like do a thing where you like do the thing and then you can like, oh look, I made a bunch of replays, I'll like back them up, and then it's really easy and you don't have to do file systems and shit. I wanted to do that. So, you know, if I want more than 3 people to use it, you gotta have Windows. Lazy programmer, just the command line and call it a day. I mean, that's exactly what I did here. As for this one, I mean, I have these fucking files, and I just want to stick them in this folder and then run this program. So it's literally just what it is. You just drag this shit on here and it goes boom. I hope I didn't break something. Yeah, see, game and the files in there. But like, I wanted to do more with it rather than just like copy of. I wanted to be able to back shit up as well, because otherwise, like, it doesn't solve the problem if you make like 50,000 replay folders. Anyway, back to a folder. I don't know how to. I still don't know how to. Oh. 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 Okay. All right. Oh my. Guess I'm doing this manually. In me. That's not helpful. How do I use this? Help. Okay. Oh, wow, it's like, it's real. Oh my goodness. Oh. Okay, well, I think, wow, that's old. Yeah, okay. How do I use it? Alright, thanks, I needed that. What the fuck? Yeah, this the folder browser. Haha. Zabble. Ah, that's big. Just the folder dialog. Box. Where's the show? Oh, okay. Huh? There was something about like a... I'm confused. Don't know how to use this. I don't know how to use it. Well, okay. I mean, it looks easy enough to implement. This doesn't look complicated. I just... like... okay, I only started doing like C# and like this WPF stuff at like... at the start of this... not even the start of this year, like 1 week before I... like here. Like 1 week before I actually started my course, and like, do I just take this DLL and like stick it somewhere? What do I do? Images. Oh, that's the help file. In. Yeah. Like, I don't know how to get these controls into my... What is this? Oh. Yeah, I'm just very confused. I don't know how to use this. Project commands? Two key dialogues. How to use. I mean, surely there's other people like me who don't know what the fuck they're doing. This doesn't help. Aha. A reference video. Wow, that is a thing. That is a lot of things. I wonder if you can tell. No. Oh! Oh, GitHub. 5 months ago. Oh! Yes! NuGet, I recognize that. I did it once to get my fancy smancy cool looking material design UI. Oh, it looks so much better than like basic bitch Windows. That's the command line. I don't know where that is. Going to search. That's not what it's called. Go! Gimme some. Ooh. Oh, yes. Version 1. 4th of October. That's 5 months ago. There you go. Gimme! Og. Package manager for stupid people like me who don't know how to actually make it work. Okay. Cool. Now what? Okay, I've installed it. I think. Let's just, what's that help thing? Let's just... I'm gonna need some buttons. This grid is like functional but ugly as hell. It's just like shit plonked down. I'm gonna have to make this look better later. My buttons here. I'll just dump them next to this button. Name. Browse live. Content. Why does this say source folder? Ah, whatever that means. Oh, hello internet. Yes. Why I am losing quality. Thank you. For game folder. I want my preview so I know what I'm doing. Sure, margin. I mean, who cares? Why am I putting spaces? Just stick it next to the original one. Somewhere vertical top. Gosh. Okay. And there we go. Backup folder, make it not literally on top of the other one. 100. Sure. You know, that's close enough. Okay, and I need to give it a clicker. Wait, hello? Hello? Alright, got my buttons. Don't want to get any more. Okay, make a dialogue, give it a description, use description. So, where's the sample? So that just gives me that. Title. Order. I assume it returns true. If I hit cancel, it doesn't do anything. Okay, yeah. So give me true. Order was be too hard. Now, where am I, set direct? Okay. So I'm gonna assign it to these boxes. So, I've immediately forgot it. Vista, folder, browser dialog, dialog, was new, Vista, browser dialog. Dialog.description. Please select a phone. Log.use description title. It's true. If you're not using Windows Vista or later, I don't know like what you're doing, so I don't give a shit about that. If what? Oh, it just shows it. Okay, so what happens is selected path. I assume null? I don't know. I assume everything's. Oh, I'll need to do it anyway. If oh, that's how you get the result of like shit. You just cast it to a boolean. Show dialog. What is this? What does this give me? Oh fuck, I had it and it went away. Sure. So live, not text equal dialog dot selected path. Just copy that. I'll sync the window to attach to? Oh, okay. Makes sense. Wow! Wow, it works! Yes! Oh, that's cool. And I didn't have to do anything. I just like pinned someone else's shit and it worked. Oh, that feels good. And if I come, oh yes. Nice. Oh, it's beautiful. I'm gonna want to test this on like a slow as shit computer, just because like I'm like OCD and paranoid about all that shit. But like, it'll be fine. It's not like I'm reading an entire fucking folder structure in someone's drive. It's just like how many replays can you have? Alright. Now for the fun part, I get to like make a settings file. I don't know how to do that. I don't know the proper way of doing that. I've never done anything like that. Or, I mean, the closest I've come was this uses this text file. It reads it using code I copied off Stack Overflow. No. Just open with code? It does. Somehow I don't think this will fly in C Sharp. But yeah, this is the command line version. So back to good old Google. Settings file. Nani? I don't think that's what I'm looking for. But maybe. I don't know. God. File IO classes. Yeah. Multiple sets of settings. Maybe. Honestly, I'm not really sure what I'm looking for here. I'm not sure how I'm gonna structure this. I don't know, this? Because, okay, so what I want is, where is it? Where the up here somewhere. Is it? Have I minimized it? Where's my function gone? Ah, here it is. Want to do the C# way? Yeah, I would. I mean, I've already done one version that's a hack job. I want to at least, while I'm putting in the effort, go and actually. So, like, I want to store. I want to store these folders. I mean, ideally, this backup folder won't be inside the actual game folder, or it could be, maybe. Actually, that's not a bad idea. I don't want to put these in every time I launch this. That's just stupid. So naturally I want that. I also want to be able to pick some of these to hide, because you have this great ass list. Like, what if you don't, like, oh, fighting game replays, yeah, I love fighting game replays, I use them all the time. No, like, you'd probably want to not see that, so I want to be able to, like, hide this, like, just have those, like, those settings are for the app, for the program, and then because, like, can you add extra settings in your setting? I don't know. Like, what if there's more, and then I add more, and you have to change your settings file? I don't know. I don't know any of this. I'm just, like, winging it as I go. That's literally the first thing I did with this was download this cool material design pack. I didn't actually write any code to start with. Oh, did a thing. The other dumb thing I've done, which I'm not gonna deal with soon, but I want to have the actual data for each game, like, not baked in like this. Like, I've literally just typed everything out manually, and I want to be able to expand that without having to modify the program. So, let's see what. Am I looking at the same thing? Settings page at the project designer. Patient settings. Does that code? Wait, that's. Will this create this? No, it requires you to previously created settings function and setting name. That's. You know what? Let's just make it work first. Scope. Eh? This is what I don't want to do this. User? Sure. Oh. It's literally an XML file? Okay, that's not complicated. I have, like, this shit open twice. I need to... Users can't... Ah, I see, yes. It's default because you can have a separate settings file? Oh, nice. That okay, cool. I want to be able to C# dynamically add more settings. I feel like I should get back to this later, but I'm not sure. String, settings arrays, what the fuck? Hang on. Okay, that's just 3 strings stuffed together. Settings, property, don't know what that is. Just name. Default value, save setting. What? Oh, wait. Fucking hell. I'm gonna assume that that is this shit. I don't know. Oh. Oh, that's where these buttons are. Hey, I found them. Ah, cool. Awesome. Okay, so I'm gonna assume this is mostly similar to this, but slightly different. Why is he checking if it's nothing to us? Sample enum default value? C# version that works with all values. Fox, what? Anytime I see this, it like breaks my head. I don't like this. I know like what it is and everything. It just like it's extra shit. Add it every time. yeah, like I was looking at C++ templates and shit, and it has like this T, and that doesn't tell me anything. It's like it confuses you when you see it. It's hard to remember. You have to reference it. Just keep looking it up and stuff, and like just put type or something. I don't know. It's horrible. Like I know it's convention and shit, and like everyone does it. Oh, but like there's nothing stopping you from putting something else, and all it does is make it more confusing to learn. So like I don't know how like these piles of like expert programmers managed to do this, but we all know how they did it. Yeah. Gross. Yeah, that easy. That tells me something. This doesn't tell me anything. Anyway, I'm just gonna start banging out code and see what happens. So I'm gonna actually delete these. Okay. Okay. No, actually. You probably can't have an array in a setting. You can use a string. I need one, and it's for the hiding the game list. I don't know what to call it. I'm just gonna like pile just a bunch of letters into it and use it as a fucking thing. I'll deal with it later. That's just like there. How many do I have? How long is this? How long is this? How long is this? I wonder. Is this one? I wonder if code can tell me how long that is. Oh, I don't have extensions. Okay, that's fine. That's fair. Comma delimited list. I mean, each value is just I'm just storing like a boolean for like right now when I create that list, and this doesn't tell you anything, but I'm literally just fucking hard coding it as visible. I just need like a Y or an N, and I'll just stuff them all into a string and be like, yeah, there's that. Maybe there's a better way of doing it, I don't know. Probably is. Actually, I shouldn't do that. I should just create the settings on the fly for each one, like I'm doing anyway. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. I hope that makes it clear what I've tried to do here. All right, what are we doing? You know the other things that I hate? I hate var. What is this? There's only one thing it could be. Your compiler will complain if it's the wrong thing, so put the thing. It just makes it hard to read, and it's just like lazy. I mean, maybe there's a reason for it that I don't know of, and maybe I'm ragging on it for no reason, but for me it just feels the same as this T shit. You have information that you could put there, but you didn't. And now, I don't know. public static void add t. Okay, so that's a template. That's a template, assuming that it takes what? Do you have to pass what? What this? What does this mean in this particular? Like, what does this do? Application settings, base settings, okay. Is that like a reference? Like, does it take that specific instance that you pass it? Function argument this. Extension methods? Oh no, oh, high level weirdness, ah! Oh, right, where was I? So it refers to itself. What is an application? If this is an application setting space, then that would make a lot of sense. But I don't know because it's a var. String property name, t value, that makes sense. You can just have like different types of values. Yeah. Property type. Okay, that's a settings property name. Right. Type provider. I assume that's like whatever file that it's gonna be in. Local file setting provider. I'll just copy that. Serial. Alright. What? This will help. Seriously? Wow, I was staring at that pile of shit for forever, and when I could just look at this. Why is this so difficult? Why is this so difficult? Oh, my brain. How is this better than just reading a file? Good question. I should. Oh, that's gonna cause a hell of fucking awful. Oh no. Actually. Sure. Yes. Nani? Oh, I don't want to do either of these. Oh. Ah. That's my config file. Ugh. It's gross. It can't. Okay, no. This doesn't write. This doesn't write settings. I could make it right. Actually, writing settings would be really easy, but I don't want to do it. Oh my god. Why is shit like this hard? Alright. Let's just... Probably why the retarded settings shit exists? Yeah. Oh, this is... This is dumb. This is dumb. Oh. Wow, this is a word that was in the other thing. Ah, this is awful. Okay, so where does this go? How does any of this like combine? I haven't learned anything. Okay, I'm trying to do too many things. Let's start simple. Let's start by actually making settings. Am I gonna have to... Oh no. How am I gonna read these? I don't have like... Oh. Yeah, I get the extension thing. I'm just kind of like, let's actually just start. Maybe that'll help. I don't want to click this. It's gonna teach me nothing. I've clicked it anyway. Okay, add at least one setting. Okay. MSDN. Oh, this looks ancient. seriously? I did this. Oh my god. Ah! 2010? Uh-oh. I don't want to know what that is. Not gonna look. It's gonna scare me. That's 9 years ago. I was 13. Oh no. 13-year-old on on Microsoft Developer Network. Right. I'm gonna start here and see what we do get. Configuration, settings, property. Like, even that being called property instead of P helps so much. Because it's longer. So when it appears in the code, you will see it and you will recognize it. As opposed to some tiny thing shoved in some bracket somewhere in the middle of a piece of shit. Use system.configuration.setting property. That's verbose. Test setting. You know what's nice? Having a scroll wheel that can go side to side. That's cool. It's still like clicks, which doesn't really help here. Property dot property type equals type. Do I have to use type of? I assume that doesn't work, right? It's not work. Yeah, okay, that's fine. Only use single letters if it's an obvious iterator or something mathy. Yeah. Like, you're pretty much just making it harder to read for type of returns a string. Well, this is object oriented, which means type of is a class just like every other thing in here, which returns the type class which has string in it. Going to this from like, I don't know. I find it really easy to laugh at the object paradigm because it's funny. To encapsulate the type, I don't know what that word means. You pass it, I don't know what that. I mean, this makes sense. It's dumb, but it makes sense. Do I really have to set this? The classic default value of test setting. Beautiful. Dot Finder. Dot settings. Dot default. Dot provided. And then it's a why is it square brackets? File settings provider. Oh. Hurts. Hey. Eh? What? Oh. I'm just gonna like build, and that fixes it. Fuck. Oh, right. that would explain. Go, go, go. Aww. Oh, what? How do I? What the fuck? Ah! Kidding me, right? Fuck. Wow, I forgot. I'm muted. That's cool. I mean, it's not like I've made any progress. So, yeah, I'm still don't know what I'm doing. Where was the other thing that? Oh, okay. Guess I'm gonna open all those up again. You know, Mash doing that really shows you just how many tabs you have when you have to hit the button so many times. There's no settings. Where's support.microsoft.com. It tells you how to. This is hard. This is hard to look at. They need this like box. I think I remember doing shit like this when I was doing like Visual Basic project in high school. Seriously though, where do I put this? This isn't gonna work. Wait, did I put the in? Yeah, I'm just like doing something stupid and it's not gonna fly. Right. So, summary, still don't know what I'm doing. Let's realize that I am wasting my time. And once again, close all this. Because I don't want a million tabs. Now, how do I access these settings? This isn't helping me. Ew. I don't want this settings thing hanging out in app data. spare file. Go, go, go. Oh, it's getting more tempting. It's getting more tempting. What? Uh-huh. Okay, so there you get that. Create own settings file. Okay, that's web development. I would like to be able to use this sort of like easy shit instead of doing that dumb file thing, because I'm pretty sure like Microsoft's implementation of a settings file is way more robust than mine. But it's not really designed for that. Okay, now this is never the best way to go about it. I get like a bunch of dots deep and then I don't know what I'm doing. Configuration settings. Honey. This method is depreciated. Awesome. Ooh. Wait, how do I save? How do I save? How do I save? How do you save it? Config file. Save. Where is config file? Where is config file? Bar config measure. Open thing. What is that? exe file. Oh, please no. Oh no, don't tell me it's doing what I think it's doing. Please don't tell me that it's going to go in. That's not a good example. I need a program with like actual details. Python. Seriously? I hope it's not going into here and like... Oh my god. Why can't I find something? This isn't gonna help either. Whatever. But I hope it's not going into being like, oh, I found the author and the company name and then back to app data with you. What about this? It is not that fast to read for... It probably isn't actually. I didn't. Control A, delete. Bad habit. Don't do it. What is an XPath document? What is this article? You know what? Nope. I'm just gonna update it up. Fuck it. Talk about non-portable. Actually. Sharp. Okay, that's... Ah, yes! Oh, yes, that's the search term I wanted. Oh, yes, give me a nougat package. Beautiful. Things down. Right, set it to that thing. Like, right, I'm pulling a copy and run. Can I change the name of that? Portable.config is a dumb name. For my purposes. It's fine if it's like a, oh, this is a normal program and we made it portable. But I'd like to be able to rename that. Not too big of a deal.
Sophisticated apparatus.
Portable. Settings. Nice. Stop doing that. Hey, he's done it. I wonder if I can go into here and... Alright. Nope, not going to. Let's not mess around in there. I'm just gonna leave it. Who cares? Cool. Application settings are stored in XML file in the same directory as the application. The file name. Oh, so this is where to go. Did I imagine it? Oh, so this is just outdated, right? Roaming. I don't like that, so... Wait, what? Whatever. Oh, so this is different. 7 years ago. What is this? What? This is... Wait, so... How does anything work? Whatever. Okay, where am I? Shit. Nope, I've done the thing again. How am I supposed to load the settings name? Okay, fine. Hey. What the hell? Why did I? Oh, you do need that. Okay. Oh. Live, right. I don't need to do this. Why? Why? Rename what? I just renamed it. What are you freaking out about? What just happened? It didn't make any change. What? No, fuck you. That's more lines. Why would it prompt you to turn 2 lines into 4 lines? How is that simple? What is IntelliSense doing? Oh, hey internet. What's up? Yeah, you just dropping some frames? Yeah, let's drop some. I mean, fortunately, nothing's happening, so you can't actually see that it's dropping frames because my screen literally isn't changing. But that's still annoying and dumb. ID, I'm helping. It froze for a sec. It's still freaking out. Like you can get OBS here. I don't have a lag thing on screen, but you can. It's freaking out. Wait for a bit. It's coming back. No, it's not. Whatever. Maybe I will add it. Hang on. Do this for a second. That's. That's really big. There we go. Beautiful. Now it's really a Ravid stream. Yes. Excellent. Alright, this is stupid. So I'm going to... No. Visual Studio selects next instance of. You're kidding me, right? Control F. Where is it? Oh. Sure. Nani? No, I don't want to find. I want to literally select them all. Shit. Privacy error? I don't care. Like I'm putting any details in. That's VS Code. VS Code VS Code has this. VS Code has stuff that Studio doesn't. I can't indent this line really quickly. I have to go up here and... is it even here? I have to add these stupid buttons. What's the hotkey for this? Huh? Huh? Is it control bracket? Because I can't add that. Customize? No. Line indent. I Keyboard. Line. Is my caps lock on? Indent. Oh, format. Decrease indent. Nah, it don't do it. It don't do it. Fine. Find and replace. What? Visual Studio is slow. The IntelliSense is slowly falling apart. Why does it want what? Setting. Don't give me that. That makes sense. Setting. Plus JPEG. Any other instances? No? Okay. And then game object. Understand. I wonder if this will blow it up. No, 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 shit. Dot get. Ugh, sneeze. Setting on string. Oh, awesome. Ha! I knew it would come in handy. Oh, it doesn't like it. Honey. What the fuck? Thanks, Visual Studio. That really fixed the problem. That's a string. That's a string. Setting. That's an in. That isn't in. What's broken here? What is broken here? What is it trying to do? What is it trying to do? Like seriously, no, what's happening here? Cannot implicitly convert type object to string. It's the same error message, no, it's not. What the fuck? What are you doing? What's object? Okay, fine. Let's do it this way. I don't understand. Oh, I understand. See, this... Okay, well... This is an example of an error message that isn't terribly useful. Plus... L... dot... What does this return? Okay, I need to like go into here and it's the outer type. What the fuck? Oops. It can't, shouldn't it be like... Where's the other thing that I don't have? Got value? Or whatever? I don't know. Whatever. Thanks. That's dumb! But part of that was probably me being dumb as well. Whatever, it works. Cool. Must be because I'm doing it dynamically. Oh yeah, maybe. Actually, that would make sense, yes. because it doesn't know exactly what setting I'm grabbing. So yeah. That makes sense. That's fine. Okay, where does it actually load? Initialize, update current games. So it runs that. So if this setting is populated when it creates this as part of, there's a lot of scrolling. As part of this, then it should find update. Okay, that might cause issues. It's not equal to. Oh, that just sets the text if there's a thing there. Okay, cool. And then it should load the replays. Okay, and then under, where's my button? Set directories, load replays. So set directories. Set directories. What the fuck? No, I want to overwrite. What is the logic of this? I want to set the directories regardless of if there are directories. Yes. So that, like, highlighting and going tab, shift tab works, but I can't do it while like just a cursor. Whereas in VS Code you can just like grab this and just go bang 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 bang. What is that button called? Load file. Oh. Okay, I want to be careful with setting this, setting this. I'll put a note. Gonna really need to do more testing on this. This will break very easily. Should grab live and back up. It should set them. Wait, no. Because when I change the thing, it only. Oh, days. Oh, that should update. Wait, what am I doing? Shit. Fuck, I've lost track. I was here. Update current game. So all it does is, okay, that should actually, and it does. This should work actually. Oh, I never actually saved the setting. That's what I need to do. Right, under this button. Under this button, so under set directories, I need to save the setting. So I need to properties.settings.default game data.setting number plus okay. If I do this, will it freak out? Apparently not. Okay, sure. Cool. Okay. Let's go. Right. It creates settings for every single one. I have to create settings for every single one. Shit. Ah! Do I do it manually or in code? Doing it manually. Wait. What? Oh no! Oh, what the fuck? Ah! That's annoying. Well, let's just do it. I can't wait until I work out how to not hard code this. Then I don't have to do this shit. That wasn't so hard. Right. Live info. Just back up this page live. What? Oh. It's overriding. Okay, I see. I knew it! I knew this would be a problem. Initialize and update. Initialize and then it's updating. Wait, what? How's it setting directories? Initialize, okay. Update. How is it setting directories? Oh, it's not! Oh. Easily solve this. Putting that there. I think that should fix it, right? That should fix it. Honey? Because the setting is nothing. It's not null, it's nothing. I'll put it there for now, just because I want to kind of reset and work things out. Oh man. Like, what I can do is just pre-fill the setting and let that either have a setting for first run, which would freak it out if you gave your folder to someone else, or I can just, you know, the smart thing and catch the exception. Right. I've never done this. I've catch. How do I've never done exception anything. Catch calls can be used without arguments that catch any type of exception. This is... eh? Fine. Fine. Yeah. That'll do it. Oh my gosh, it did it! It loaded! I have to go like pretty soon. That's why I've cobbled together this monster. This needs to be changed. This is not how you do anything. I know that much, but I just want to check. Don't need TH play. Files. Oh, I didn't need to do that. Oh, I forgot. I have my fancy schmancy browse for game folder. Do I ever save? I never saved it. I never told it to save. I will do it here. Get your pog champs ready. Here we go. Oh! Oh! Oh, yes! Oh, yes! Oh, real progress has been made. I don't need a backup fob. I'm just gonna leave. What's in here? The fuck? Name folder. Oh. Oh, that feels good. Yes. Yes. Oh, yes. Hey, look, it's the shit I took from other people. I wonder if it ignores it. I'm gonna have to go and look up like the license on these. It'll probably be fine. Packages folder can be ignored because of package restore. Oh, okay. Sweet. So it doesn't matter. Wow, that's a dumb file name. Look at these awesome settings. I like how this is just hanging out in the middle. Oh, it's my computer name. Actually, I could have a first run because it's based on your computer. And it would just, the config file would just make another set of these for someone else's computer. And it would just stack up and like, I mean, ideally you don't want this portable config flying around 50 computers. Unless... And I versus this do? I do that. I can. That's not right. Will it freak out? Okay, well. Just gonna... I could put the entire thing in this try catch thing. The lazy man's coding. Don't do this ever in real code. So fucking stupid. This folder. I need to make these text box. Or have them automatically like scroll. Roaming! Then the extra one. Just like delete this. Beautiful. This is when you see those words in your work repo. Oh yeah. I mean, the problem with comments like this is like it's so easy to gloss over it. You'd have to actually read through the entire code to like find like this tiny comment. So shit like this could leak through. I mean, it won't, because you see this gigantic try-catch block and it's like, no, don't, no, ew, gross. But, yeah, dang. I did a thing. A thing I want. I think I think I'll add later. Oh, that's a good idea. I did something like that in one of my other projects where I used comments as like a table of contents, and you control F for like the code or something. It's a thing that's in old like GameSpot guides and game facts guides and shit as well. But yeah. Nah, I'm gonna. The other important thing I want to add is a button to actually launch the game from this from the replay manager. So you do all your like putting files around and stuff. I wonder if I can make it drag droppable instead of you pick them and press like copy to and stuff, and then you just hit and you launch the game, and that'd be fucking great. But okay, yeah, that's sweet ass fucking progress. I'm really happy with that. Yeah. Do I have an end screen? It's like a good point on the music to end off on. Do I have an end screen? Nope, I don't. Okay. Well, yep, you got a tiny thing. Tiny thanks for watching. But I did a thing, and the thing worked, and I got really pissed off, but then I didn't. Done it. Hooray! Now I get to go back and like, now I get to go to like class and learn more shit that isn't that. So yeah. See. Thanks for helping out.